No kneading, no stand mixer, no stress. Soft, fluffy, better than store bought, and you made it yourself. Hi everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. I'm Deepali, and today we are baking a super easy and delicious no-knead white bread loaf that's soft, fluffy, and perfect for beginners and busy bees. This is my easiest white bread loaf, and trust me, even if you have never baked before, you can make this. Just look at that soft crumb and golden crust. And guess what? You don't need any fancy equipment or kneading. It's almost like magic. So let's bake the perfect white bread at home. Start with mixing the warm milk in water. Not hot, just slightly warm to activate the yeast. Now let's keep this aside and prepare our dry ingredients. Combine all your dry ingredients in a large mixing bowl: flour, instant yeast, sugar, and salt. Mix them well. If you want a bakery style loaf with a beautiful rise and chewy texture, try using bread flour instead of regular all purpose flour. Bread flour has more protein, gives better gluten development. So if you bake bread often, it's totally worth stocking up. Now, slowly add your warm liquids and melted butter. Now we are aiming for a soft, slightly sticky dough. Don't add too much flour if you find your dough sticky. It gets less sticky as gluten develops. So I also used to panic and dump more flour, and my bread turned dense every time. So let your dough be soft and trust the process, right? Now add your butter and mix again until it's fully incorporated. Just keep folding the batter with hand now. The dough will feel slightly greasy, but that's normal. Okay, now cover it with cling film, and I'm going to pop it into the fridge overnight. That's where all the magic happens. The dough will rise slowly and develop beautiful flavor. Good morning. Look how beautifully our dough has risen overnight. Now let it sit out for 30 minutes or maybe more, just to bring this to the room temperature. It will become easier for us to handle it. Okay, it's been 1 hour now, and let's fold the dough a few times. It will deflate back to its original state, which is completely normal. Keep folding until it forms a small ball again. Cover it with cling film and let it rest for another 30 to 45 minutes or until it has doubled in size. Now after about 1 hour, it should double in size and become puffy. Now transfer the dough to a lightly floured tabletop. And use a rolling pin gently to press out as much air as possible. And continue working with the dough by folding it. Gently shape it into a log. use rolling pin gently again to eliminate the air. And now place the dough into the prepared loaf pan. I've already greased the loaf pan. You can see in the screen below. I've used butter to grease it and press it down firmly using your hands to eliminate any remaining air pockets. Now cover it again with a cling sheet and let it rise until it reaches the top of the pan. It may take from 45 minutes to again 90 minutes depending upon how warm your kitchen is. So while your bread is rising, preheat your oven to 190 degrees Celsius. Okay, see, the bread has risen now. Now let's bake it. Now I use the lid of the loaf pan to cover the dough, but that's optional. Using a pan with a lid gives you a loaf or uniform bakery style look and prevents the top from over browning. But if you don't have one, you can still bake it uncovered. The bread will just have a nice dome shape instead. So now in the oven at 190 degrees Celsius for about 35 to 40 minutes. So our bread is out of the oven. Look at that gorgeous color. And as soon as the bread is out of the oven, tap the bottom. It should sound hollow. That means it's done. Now at that very moment, carefully remove it from the pan and place it on a cooling rack. Allow it to cool completely before slicing it for the best texture. Now, this is the moment I love, the slicing time. Just look at that soft, fluffy texture inside. Look at that texture. This is the softest bread I have ever baked at home. This bread is perfect for sandwiches, toast, or just buttered with a hot cup of tea. Soft, golden, and made with love. This is what homemade bread feels like. I hope you'll try it and share it with someone you love. If you try this recipe, don't forget to tag me on Instagram at Deepali Ohri. I love seeing your creations. If you enjoyed this recipe, do like and comment what bread you want me to make next. And do subscribe to my channel for more delicious bakes every week. It means the world to me. So until we meet again, take good care of yourself and happy baking!